Hi, and welcome to another Wogs World of Rex. I'm Paulie Wogs. This is the shop. Thank you for joining us for this video. Unfortunately, today's video is going to be a short one. I was hoping not to be a short video. I was hoping for this video to be at least a half an hour, 45 minutes. But somewhere along the line in the last couple of weeks, I have injured my left shoulder. And I just found out today that it technically should be in a sling. So at some point later today, I'm going to go to town and pick up a sling and get my shoulder put in the sling. Like I said, this video is going to be short, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what we've got coming up for our next video. All right, so all these parts came this week. And like I said, I was hoping to put those on this week, or in this video, but that's not going to happen. But basically, we've got front brakes, front calipers, rear brake wheel cylinders. We've got tires for the truck. We've got all these parts that are getting ready to get back on this truck so we can get the truck back onto the ground. Because yes, I am getting close. This truck is almost back onto the ground. As you can see from, the rest of the video coming up here, that we got the front axle all buttoned up, but we got the steering knuckles put on, and we're in the process now. All I need to do is get the wheel hubs put on, and then once the hubs go on, I can get the front brakes put on. So that's what we're going to do after my arm heals, is we're going to get the hubs put on and then get all the rest of these parts put on and get this thing back on the ground. But for the rest of the video, I hope you enjoy what I've done so far, and please like and subscribe and comment. Thanks again for watching.
Good morning.
Wiki, 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 pow.
Well, time for a tea break.
All right.
Movement. Yeah, see all kinds of movement.
Well, I'm just making sure because this microphone can pick up if I talk. So I'm just verifying with my finger. Okay.
Put your thumb in your pocket.
I know it's hard to not to move to not. It's hard to move without moving that arm. I'm Paulie Wogs. Welcome to the shop. You know what? I need to start over again because I smacked my microphone with my finger and I know that's going to go thunk.